What is bathroom renovation? Bathroom renovation is the process of updating old and damaged elements of the bathroom with new and modern ones. This means broken or outdated sinks, taps, showers, commodes, and tiles will be changed. At Inkstone Infra we provide both bathroom renovation and bathroom remodeling services. These are some of our recent works. For bathroom renovation and bathroom remodeling, contact us today. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos on home renovation, bathroom renovation, and interior design. Thank you for watching.